While ovens can differ from model to model, they operate on similar principles. In this video, we will address how an electric oven operates, as well as potential problems you may encounter. An electric oven consists of three basic components: the bake element, the broil element, and the oven control. The oven control may be switch-based with a thermostat and sensing bulb assembly, or an electronic control board that works with an oven sensor. The oven operates using 240 volts of alternating current through two legs of voltage, each carrying 120 volts. The first leg of voltage is usually regulated by the oven control. The second leg of voltage may also be regulated by the control, or it may be continuously present at one side of both the bake and broil elements. When you select the bake or broil function, the oven control allows either the first leg of voltage or both legs to travel to the element, closing the circuit and causing the element to heat. The sensing bulb on the thermostat or the oven sensor monitors the oven temperature. When the selected temperature is reached, the oven control shuts off the voltage to the element. This cycle repeats throughout the cooking process to maintain the proper temperature. Keep in mind, the cooking temperature designated by the control is only an average. The actual temperature will fluctuate throughout the cycle. Convection ovens will reduce this fluctuation by using a motorized fan, with or without its own heating element, to circulate the heated air evenly throughout the oven cavity. A common problem that can occur is a heating element will fail and begin arcing. If this happens, you should shut off the power immediately, and do not use the oven until the element has been replaced. If either the bake or broil element is not heating, you should test the element for continuity to determine if a continuous electrical path is present. If the oven doesn't bake or broil, the appliance may not be receiving sufficient voltage. You should check the circuit box to determine if a breaker has tripped or a fuse has blown. If the oven is heating improperly or the temperature is off by more than 40 degrees Fahrenheit once preheated, the oven control is probably defective. If your oven has a switch-based control with a thermostat and sensing bulb, the entire assembly will need to be replaced. If your oven has an electronic control, the oven sensor can be tested to determine whether the sensor or the control board is the source of the problem. Repair Clinic has a solution for many of the problems you may be experiencing with your oven. Enter the full model number of your appliance in our website search engine for help diagnosing your problem and for a complete list of compatible replacement parts.